put the safe ground in here.
Are you kidding me? That's how you start a morning right there.
Oh, can't make the camera fit in here. Am I zoomed in? I gotta be. Hold on, guys. There we go. There we go.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. Had that a couple times.
Mega malfunction here.
It's mucho cold again. It's probably not 5 like it was yesterday, but it's probably 10.
It's cold.
So, morning, day 3. We really don't know where we're going yet. We got to decide that at the gas station. We got 2 or 3 different options. Gonna run, get some fuel over at Maverick, some more coffee.
Adventure's first stop.
Yes.
Because that's what this is.
I'm still tired.
And I'm getting sicker, congested, stuffy, but hey, love this. That's why we're out here doing it.
Keep rocking.
Rock out with you?
No.
No?
Is there anything else we needed to say? I don't know. I'm still at 3/4 asleep, guys. Yeah, I think we're good. We're gonna go with that. We're gonna go get fuel and some coffee, and then we'll do another little bit.
Then we can function better.
Then we'll be okay.
Yeah.
See you guys in a minute.
Gotta mind the bush. Nice spot, dude.
I was staring at him clear out in the yellow grass.
Yeah, as soon as you said that, I caught him just left the telephone pole out there.
There might have been 2 of them, man. Because see how there's the yellow grass just left the telephone pole?
Yeah.
Then there's the big patch out to the left of it.
Yep.
It was on the far edge of that, and I was staring at it, and then all of a sudden it just disappeared.
Nice. Well, first thing in the morning, we'll take it.
Hell yeah.
There's one.
Boom.
Deep down trail, freaking coyote tracks right here. Coyote tracks right there, coyote turd right there. There he is. Oh, lost a leg. That one's not going on video. It looked like it went under him and then hit his leg.
I wonder if I shot through brush or something.
Could have.
I had to have, because there's no way.
Yeah.
I'd get right there. Yeah,
that's pretty.
Start the day. Started day 3.
Something that on this trip specifically, and for many trips to come, is going to be instrumental in our coyote hunting success. This stand I couldn't have made without it. The OnX maps just gives you all of the information you need to figure out what's private and what's public. And there's this little tiny chunk of public here smashed between some private, and worked out for us. Don't mind the windscreen bouncing in and out of the screen here, guys. This is the first time I've used this camera setup with the mic and the windscreen. Remedied the problem later on, but it's taken too long to edit all of it out, so just ignore that. Alright guys, I'm going to let you watch this one from my perspective, and then I'm going to let you watch it from Garrett's perspective. You'll see why here in a minute.
Nice shot, dude.
Well guys, that was my view. Obviously here's Garrett's view. If you guys want to be able to capture great video like this through your rifle scope, click the link in the description, head over to phonescope.com, use promo code HIDDEN at checkout, and save yourself 10%. And this is what it looks like when your safety's still on. That's okay though, because Garrett kept his composure here, did what he needed to do, got that coyote stopped, and made a great shot at around 300 yards. While we're sitting here watching this coyote kind of run away through the shaky vision of Garrett's scope, just wanted to mention how much pressure we've put on ourselves to make sure we get that 100 coyotes. When you think about it, it's really not a lot. It's 3.3 per day, so basically 3, 3, and 4 every 3 days, and really not that many, honestly. But to do it that long in a row, it's really put a lot of pressure on us, and we're already starting to feel it.
You had the safety on, didn't you?
I had the safety on.
Dude, let's be quiet. There was crows coming down the canyon up there a minute ago. There might be another one coming. Yeah, we're good then. I just saw right before you.
Perfect shot right here. You stopped, no brush, no nothing. I bent that trigger. Yeah,
dude, I knew as soon as you didn't shoot, I was like, safety's on.
I couldn't tell. I was kind of off balance. That's a long shot.
That is, dude. I don't even know where he's at. Or I'd look back at video on that one.
Have to. We'll never find him. Oh man.
Nice shooting, dude. Did you get that on the scoped vision?
Should have.
Nice.
It'll be interesting to see me bend the trigger in half right here because I had it on safety. Oh man.
That's what happens when your brain is clogged with as much snot as you're dealing with right now.
It's horrible, dude. Yeah, I saw him just crossing right. I wasn't sure because he was in that low spot right by the fence.
Did he come right between the power lines?
No, this side of the power line.
Oh, okay.
At the low spot on the road. I just kind of caught movement, but I wasn't sure. I thought it was a rabbit at first because it was so low.
Yeah. 2 for 2.
Both late.
Yeah, way
16
late.
and 17 minutes.
What's up, dude? Just coming to chill?
Coming to hang out?
What's going on, buddy?
Where's your coyote friend?
I know he's coming behind you. Where is he? Probably top over the ridge while we're sitting here talking.
Where's your friends? The coyotes, the four-legged furry ones? They come to our calls. We just shot one of them. No?
Those are actually pretty cool looking birds, dude. Oh, it looks like he found him. Man, it looks like it's a long ways across there, but it's really not. You'd be surprised, guys, how much longer it takes when you're coyote hunting and running video to get a stand completed and everything done and packed up and all your video equipment put away and stored so you don't break it or lose it. Yeah. It's a whole different process. I don't know what he's doing over there. Messed around, stuffing stuff in his pockets. I don't know if he left the shotgun here or not. Maybe he didn't even bring the shotgun on this one. I do not remember. But I'm gonna go get the truck so I can go pick him up. I don't know if you guys can see that in the mirror or not, but it is dusty out here. Like, really dusty. How much dust is out there?
All the dust. All the dust is right behind us right now.
All of it. And we will soon find out the jumping jack. We know they're, or not the jumping jack, the canvas cutter. We know that they're waterproof.
Yeah, waterproof.
But how dust proof?
We'll find out.
We
will find out.
Guys, we've been driving in the worst flour dust ever for 3 days. Every road we're on is just powdered. So, dragging the jumping jack behind with the canvas cutters on it, we're putting it to the test. Dusty this is. Ready? That's impressive. Oh, you got a good name for this jumping jack?
Dusty? Gosh, dang.
Guys, so we had a pretty good morning. Had 2 coyotes first 2 stands, and then things kind of slowed down. I think we made 6 stands this morning.
Yeah.
Had 1, maybe 2, it might have been the same coyote coming back in early and late, I guess, on the 5th stand.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna pack up and head north. Got this spot that we just are leaving from friend Todd that we stayed with, and a lot of sign in there, but I think it's been called before, at least fairly recently, and holy crap, was it dusty. I don't know if you guys can see the dust blowing off of everything in the mirror there. Yeah, it's dusty. So yeah, we're gonna head north and just stay wherever the day ends and call it good from there, and then head up into Idaho at some point tomorrow, depending on how good we do this afternoon. So
Gotta drive for a couple hours, so won't get as much hunting in today, but we'll get into some new country, so be good.
alright guys, so we had a pretty good, whoa, sun's bad, had a pretty good spot to make a stand here, but there's nowhere to hide the truck. So I dropped Garrett. A lot of you guys know what a drop stand is, but I dropped him, and I'll drive down the road so I'm not there with the truck, and then I'll give him 20 minutes and I'll come back and get him. So if he gets one, not going to get this one on video, but we're going to add it to the numbers anyway. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. We're running out of daylight. We need to get one more for the day to hit our 3, and we're just trying to get into a new area that's going to be probably a lot better hunting. So yeah, wish him luck. Well guys, I'm guessing he got one. Just heard a gunshot, so I couldn't tell if it was shotgun or rifle, but heard a gunshot, so let's go see if he got one. Well, he got one. Nice. Drop stands work. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get the job done. I think we got enough room down here, down the way, to get another drop stand in, so maybe we'll do another one and see if we can't stack another one in the truck. Sorry, no video, guys, but hey, we got 100 coyotes to shoot. We got to get it done. Big or little?
Big.
Nice.
Real big.
Hell yeah. I'll grab it. But dude, we got room for another one down there too. Shotgun or rifle?
Rifle.
Nice.
I had him at like 45, 50 yards for like 2 minutes. He just kept looking around. I had the call on. He'd come a couple steps. Just didn't want to quit. Wind's right in my face, perfect.
Nice.
And then he kind of, and I had the shotgun ready. I was like, 5 more yards and I'll shoot you. And then he turned and started walking away. Put the shotgun down, grabbed the rifle, hit the coyote, turns broadside in the bushes. I shot through the bush, but got him.
Nice. Yeah, I heard the shot. I didn't hear the call at all, but I heard the shot. So, all right, give us a
You know how
quote.
many people will never get to see this?
Too many.
Obviously, the only thing that could have made it better was the coyote running right around. But that's honestly
It's epic.
29 years of coyote hunting. Just the view, the overall. This is gorgeous.
I mean, you can see forever.
You can see further than you can see.
Right. You can see the curvature of the earth. You can see so far.
Yeah. Yeah, that truck couldn't have come by at a worse time. We were 7.5 minutes in
Horrible.
when he come through.
That's right. Middle of nowhere, and truck drives by in the middle of your stand.
It happens. All right, guys, that's a wrap on day 3. Another good day. We're right on pace where we need to be. So couldn't be happier about that. We're getting into some new country that we'll be in the next 2 or 3 days probably, and we're really excited about it. Thank you guys again for your support. Again, I mentioned in the first video, head over to our website at hiddeninstinct.net, or you can click the link in the bio of the video here and purchase any of our hats, hoodies, t-shirts, anything like that. Everything that you guys buy during the month of December, during this Coyote Tour series, is going to enable us to keep getting out in the field and keep doing what we're doing, and thank you guys so much. And also, 10% of those purchases made the entire month of December, we're going to be donating to a charity. We've got a couple in mind, just haven't decided exactly which one yet, but 10% of all sales during the month of December will be donating back to a charity, something most likely in the hunting community for youth, to get them more involved in the outdoors and enjoy this kind of stuff. I mean, there's far too many people that'll never get to see this, and it's a shame, really. But hopefully whatever we can do to contributions from that will help people get out and enjoy what we're doing out here right now. So thank you guys again for your support very much.